Here's how to quickly change your shipping address on Amazon. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in. Now, hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right and click your addresses. On the Addresses page, you'll see a list of all your saved delivery addresses. If you want to update an existing one, click the Edit button under that address. You can change the street, city, zip code, or phone number. When you're done, click Save Changes. To add a brand new address, click Add Address at the top, enter the new delivery details, and make sure everything is correct, especially the phone number for delivery updates. Click Add Address to save it. If you want Amazon to always use your new address, click Set as Default under it. This ensures all future orders automatically ship to the right location. If you already placed an order and want to change the shipping address, go to Returns and Orders at the top right, then select your order. If the item hasn't shipped yet, you'll see Change Delivery Address or Change Shipping options. Click it, choose the correct address, and save your changes. Note, if the package has already shipped, Amazon may not allow address changes. In that case, you may need to cancel and reorder. And that's how you update or change your shipping address on Amazon.